Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel, Financial Management, Mutual Funds and Share Markets. My name is Rahul and here I am presenting tutorials on share markets and mutual funds for study purpose. Hope you will like it. Please subscribe to my channel, also like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Before we start, let me tell you that this is just a beginning of my YouTube channel. And the very first tutorial is about basic terms related to share market. Upcoming tutorials will give you deeper knowledge about share market and mutual funds. If you have any queries and suggestions, then please let me know on below mail. Financial Management mfsm@gmail.com. These are some of the terms we will see in this tutorial. What is share market, how it works? Then what is commodity and currency? What are different segments in share market? Different types of traders or investments, and a quick overview of fundamental and technical charts of shares. So, what is stock market? Here different companies raise funds from public through IPO, that is initial public offer. And through this we are becoming the shareholders of that company in some percentage. To raise the funds, companies need to register themselves on NSE or BSE, that is National Stock Exchange or Bombay Stock Exchange. After company gets listed down on these exchanges, then investors are able to buy or sell the shares of that company. To regulate all this processes we have SEBI, that is Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI can control and regulate all the activities in share market. To trade in share market or to buy and sell the shares, investors need a demat account. Demat account can be opened through banks, full-service brokers or discount brokers. Banks, ICICI Direct, HDFC Bank, SBI etc. Full-service brokers, Sharekhan, Motilal Oswal etc. Discount brokers, Zerodha, Upstox etc. Also, there are NSDL and CDSL depositories through which all the transactions done related to share market, that is buying and selling of shares etc. All these transactions are done by electronic medium. NSDL stands for National Securities Depository Limited and CDSL is Central Depository Services, India. Moving on, so how share market works. Suppose any company need funds for further expansion of the business, then the required fund is called as equity capital and it is raised from public through IPO by registering the company on exchanges. Before listed down on exchanges, every company or share has a face value. On that basis equity capital is calculated. Suppose any XYZ company has share face value of 10 rupees per share and the numbers of shares are 5 lakh. Then equity capital raised by that company is 50 lakh, that is face value into number of shares. After listed down on exchanges, the price of that share changes continuously and it is called as market value of that share. Also, every share has its book value and it is calculated based on below formula, which is total assets minus liabilities divided by total number of shares. Consider company has its own land or infrastructure or machines etc., which is nothing but the assets, and loan is nothing but the liabilities. So for this example we consider that XYZ company has 7 crores assets and has 2 crores liabilities. Hence, book value is calculated as 100 rupees per share. All these data like face value, book value, market capital, P/E ratio etc. are easily available on below sites. www.moneycontrol.com or www.investing.com. Now we have seen little bit about share market and how it works. Similarly, commodities and currencies market works. Different commodities like natural gas, silver, zinc, crude oil etc. are traded across MCX and NCDEX exchanges. And different currencies can be traded are USD, EUR, GBP etc. on NSE and MCX exchanges. Majorly two different segments are in share market, that is equity and derivatives. Equity is nothing but trading of shares for short, mid or long term. Basically, only buying of shares is possible for certain time period and sells later, but if anyone wants to sell shares first and then buy, it is possible only for intraday trading and it is called as short selling. Derivatives have two segments as futures and options. Futures can be traded with lot size and having an expiry contract, whereas options can be traded with premium price only. Call option, that is CE, is nothing but the upside premium, and put option, that is P, nothing but downside premium. Now, there are different types of investments, or we can say trading strategies. Equity or deliverables, this is a low risk and good profit type. In this we can buy shares for short, mid or long term, depends on holding period, and it gives good returns. Short term considers holding for 2 days to 2 to 3 weeks. Mid-term considers 2 months to 6 months holding period, and long-term means holding for 3 years or more than that. Intraday trading consists of buying and selling of shares on same day or vice versa. In this type, brokers provides you margin facility, which allows you to get more profit on small investment. But you need a stop loss to reduce capital loss risk. BTSD is nothing but the buy today and sell tomorrow. In this type, shares buy at last hour of the day and sell at early session on next morning, mostly it based on whole day performance of the day and sometimes news based. Derivatives are traded with lot size and are having expiry. This type of trading has high risk with higher returns. There are 2 subtypes, that are futures and options. Futures required maximum capital, but options can be traded with premium costs only. How to select stocks and how to do trading. Many investors or traders follow different strategies while investing or trading. For investment and also for trading, many experienced investors suggest to go through the fundamentals of the company. Fundamentals like balance sheets, management, results, performance, assets, liabilities, NPAs, etc. These parameters help to build a strong portfolio for investment. Technical charts helps you to understand the support and resistance of the stock prices. It will help us to understand the price movement and other technical parameters like volumes, moving averages, RSI, etc. Also, traders or investors can pick stocks based on news related like quarterly results, bulk deals, financial budget, election results, etc. Thank you for watching. I will come up with many more tutorials which will help everyone to grow their knowledge about share market and mutual funds. Please subscribe to my channel, also share, like and comments. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you again. Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel.